One of the popular questions in the board examination is to state the differences between any two national income concepts. You shall use the following as the basis to differentiate one concept from another. They are: 1. Price. Price, which is used to calculate the money value of output. 2. Output. Who produces the output, whether normal residents or citizens of the domestic country. 3. Territory. Territory in which the output is produced, whether within the domestic territory or in the domestic territory and in other countries. Then additional measures which are involved in their calculations, such as 4. Depreciation, 5. Net indirect tax, and 6. Net factor income from abroad. This is the simplest way to distinguish one concept from another. In this tutorial, we shall try to find an answer to the board question: what is the difference between gross national product at market price and net domestic product at factor cost? Gross national product at market price is specified on the left hand side. Net domestic product at factor cost is stated on the right hand side. In the calculation of both the values, market price is used. So we shall ignore it. We shall try with output. In case of GNP at market price, output is produced by the citizens of the country. In the calculation of net domestic product at factor cost, output is produced by the normal residents. So, 1. GNP at market price. Output is produced by the citizens of the country. NDP at factor cost. Output is produced by the normal residents of the country. Again, one more difference on the basis of output. 2. GNP at market price. Output is produced within the domestic country and in other countries. NDP at factor cost. Output is produced within the domestic country. We shall try with additional measures used to calculate these values. 3. GNP at market price. It includes depreciation. NDP at factor cost. It excludes depreciation. 4. GNP at market price. It includes net indirect tax. NDP at factor cost. It excludes net indirect tax. 5. GNP at market price. It includes net factor income from abroad. NDP at factor cost. It excludes net factor income from abroad. This is how you shall easily tackle the questions. There are 10 national income concepts. To master these 10 definitions, view my video lesson on national income concepts. We shall meet in the next lesson.